Stop by and take a look at the 2015 Azera, the perfect combination of comfort and convenience. The Hyundai Azera is roomy, refined, and loaded with standard features. The Azera's quiet confidence proves that performance is another form of luxury. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: panoramic roof, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, fog lamps. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.